Welcome back, guys. My name's Ben from Flow Brackets. Today we're going to address the number plate mounting on the back of this M3. If you guys have a plastic number plate bracket on your car, please don't use them. Thieves won't even need a screwdriver to remove it because all you'll need to do is pull, it'll snap, and you can go. In less than 2 seconds, they're gone. This is why you need a aluminium bracket, because you can't pull them off and snap it off. Alright, first we're going to remove the screws holding on the number plate. I'm not actually going to snap this off because one, it's not my car and or product. Alright, so this is what the back of every BMW looks like. It's got this oval and two holes. Now the distance between this hole and this hole from center to center is 232 millimeters apart. And that roughly goes there and there. And that would force you to drill into your number plate, and that's something that you don't want to do. And this is why you need one of our brackets. Today we'll be installing slimline, so this is a slimline bracket. There's the center line in the bracket. So you mount the bracket to the car and then your number plates go on. But before we get that done, let me show you that it'll also work with our other range of brackets. So if you have 3 to 4 character slimline plates, then that will go to those two holes. If you had a signature plate, then our signature S1 for slimline would also go to that. Our standard signature bracket also goes through those two holes. If you had a standard size number plate, then again, bolt it to the center line and then bolt your number plate on. And also Euro plates will also bolt on to those two holes as well. All right, let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, there's some light scuffing on the paintwork here and here, and that's because this bracket was hard up against the paintwork. That's not ideal. When you get our bracket, be sure that you use our spacers on the back to step it off the paint, one, to protect the paintwork and also to make your number plates look like it's floating. All you got to do is insert your screw, flip it over, install the self-clinching spacers so they don't fall off when you're trying to install it, and then put your bracket onto the car. Now, I'm not sure if this shows up on camera, but we've actually got line markings on our bracket that tell you where to put it 232 mil apart so you can perfectly center your bracket without measuring. Alright, so the final step will be to get your number plates onto the number plate bracket. Check out our range of options that you can add onto your order. This customer has opted for security screw fittings, which is an anti-theft fitting. It just makes it a little bit harder for thieves to steal your number plate. And that's the cleanest way to put number plates onto any BMW. Best of all, it's floating, secure, damage-free, and doesn't require modification. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.